everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing from LOOKFANTASTIC and it's their newly released Ultimate Luxe Beauty Edit. This gorgeous box costs £80, or if you are a subscriber, it'll cost you £10 if you use code LUXSUBS. I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as links to this box and any other limited editions. I'll pop it all down there, as well as my Diary LF discount code, which can be used on everything on their website besides the subscription box. And when these limited edition beauty boxes are first released, it works on those as well, but it only works for a day or two. So I think now if you were to use it, it might not work, unfortunately. So I'll put my code down there for future use if you want to take advantage of that. It's an affiliate code. I receive a bit of commission, which all helps in going back into paying for things like this, so that I can share with you on my channel. So yeah, so let's get on to opening stuff and showing you what's inside. I've only just noticed this. It's got a sleeve. You can take that, throw that away, and you're left with a keepsake box. Yeah, I like that. There's a QR code here. I'll just scan it. The QR code brings up information about all the products in the box, so I refer to this as we go along. First up, we've got a £75 moisturiser from Murad. This is Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture and it's 50ml. This luxurious lightweight cream with advanced hyaluronic acid technology provides 24 hours hydration, restores suppleness and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut extract helps provide enhanced moisture retention and gives skin a youthfully smooth texture, gentle enough for sensitive skins. Now I've actually got this all ready to use. It's in a pile of moisturisers I haven't used yet because I've got a bad habit of dipping in and out and using different ones. Then I forget what they're all like on my skin, so that makes me useless at describing products that I've used to you because like, oh, okay, haven't got a clue. So I've been strict this last year, so I'm just trying to stick to just a few products at a time and not just like dip in here and there everywhere. But I do know I've already got this and I haven't touched it yet, so I'm going to pass this on. Oh my word, I just want to put my finger right in there. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. I can't say anything about it. Intensely rich and deeply hydrating, this moisture offers long-term relief from dryness. The non-greasy, easily absorbed formula contains avocado, sunflower and olive fruit, which work to enhance skin's moisture levels, and a collagen support complex to boost skin's resilience and plump dehydrated skin. And yet this is full size, worth £75. That sounds really nice actually. Now that it's like sort of come to my awareness, I might put that near the front so I can try that next. It's got moisturiser. Oh, Sarah Chapman. This is Skinesis Liquid Facial Resurfacer. It's a liquid exfoliant and there's 100ml here. Now this is something new for me. I've tried the serum and eye creams, both gorgeous products, really lovely. Quite a pricey brand. How much is this? This is full size and it retails for £48. So yeah, I like the packaging as well. Yeah, look, you just press it down and it comes up like that. Okay, what can I tell you about it then? A liquid infusion of vitamins, exfoliators and brightening extracts, this resurfacer delivers a micro-exfoliating effect to minimise the look of pores, fine lines and uneven tone. Use after cleansing to buff away dead skin cells and promote smoother, more luminous daily complexion. My go-to is the Paula's Choice. Oh, my skin just feels amazing when I use that. So I've been using that for months now, months, probably over a year. But I do use other ones now and again, but I always go back to the Paula's Choice. This clever complexion corrector micro-exfoliates and hydrates to ensure your skin looks visibly rejuvenated, pores appear smaller, skin tone more even and lines smoother. Yeah, similar information to the little leaflet there. We've got a gel cleanser by FaceGym. This is Electro-lite, Energizing and Brightening, and there's 100ml here. This is full size, it retails for £36. Just like a workout, your skincare routine should begin with a warm-up, and this electrolyte loaded cleanser perfectly preps your skin for subsequent steps. The gel to foam texture provides cooling hydration as papaya enzymes help to gently exfoliate and melt away impurities. Red clover extract seeks to minimise the look of pores while encouraging a brightened appearance. See what it's like on my hand. You can't really see much because I only put a little bit on there. 0 cent. no smell whatsoever. So I got an Electro-lite face cleanser by FaceGym. Next, we've got a Kate Somerville. This is EradiKate Blemish Treatment, 30 mils. Look at this. It says do not shake. Why does it say do not shake? Oh, okay. Willpower, Claire, willpower. It says here, use PM once a day. Using a clean cotton swab, apply a small amount to clean dry skin on affected spots. Now, I recently had something similar in a different box a little while ago, and my daughter really wanted it. That is such a great product to have in the house, just in case. It just reminds me of chamomile lotion. You know, if you had sunburn or any sores on the skin, chamomile lotion stops itching. And it looks like this pinky sort of colour, this pale pinky colour, and then it turns white. So you're covered in white patches all over your body. It depends on where the irritation is, but it reminds me of that. So I can imagine how it would work. It contains zinc oxide, which absorbs excess sebum production, while sulfur helps prevent future blemishes. Yeah, a really handy product to have in the house. Next, Claire de Peau. This is a Precious Gold Vitality Mask. There's a little 10 ml pot there. There. Oh, I forgot to say that the EradiKate is full size and it retails for £24. This Vitality Mask is a deluxe size and is worth, this size is worth £35.33. Indulge in the luxurious rinse-off mask powered by a potent antioxidants and 24-karat gold infusion, working to soften the look of fine lines while amino acids and botanicals help to firm the appearance of your skin. Complete with an accompanying applicator brush, the mask promotes a plump, radiant look. That sounds amazing. But wow, it's an expensive mask. Look at that. Look at that. Next, we got an eyeshadow palette. This is by Natasha Denona. This is a mini star palette. That's what it looks like there. Do you know what? Natasha Denona do the most amazing palettes. Oh my gosh, my favourite, beating anything I've ever owned, is the Glam palette. I love that. I absolutely love it. It is so pricey. £60 a palette. It is really pricey. I used my code and I got another one at discount price. I got the bronze palette as well, which is beautiful. This is like a mixture of colours. I've got a few little palettes like this and it's just so nice. They blend beautifully. They look stunning. Oh, I love that green, that colour shift. Oh, they're just so buttery smooth. I love having these little sizes. Let's take away. Look. So pretty. Really pretty. I love that greeny gold at the bottom there as well. Yeah, happy with that. This is full size. It can be bought for £24. Inspired by celestial landscapes, the intergalactic collection of rich pigmented eyeshadows combines silky matte, shimmering chrome and dazzling metallic formulas, leaving your lids dazzling under the disco ball all night long. Yeah, chuffed with that. Next, we got something for your hair. This is an award-winning brand. This is Virtue. Correct Healing Oil. Protects, shines and mends. And there's 20 mils there. Strengthens, protects and adds shine to hair with a fast-absorbing, emollient-rich formula containing alpha-keratin 60 Ku. What does it look like? This is deluxe size and it is worth £25. This multi-benefit hair oil helps to restore softness and shine to your tresses, imparting a covetable luster. Damaged hair is instantly quenched thanks to its lightweight yet intensive serum, creating a healthy looking shine. Smooth and protect your dry locks with a unique shake to activate formula. Okay, how do you apply it then? What is the best way to go about it? Shake well before each use to mix and activate the formula. Apply 2 to 3 drops into your hands and work throughout damp and or dry hair and just style as desired. Oh, excited about that. I've heard good things about this brand. So we've got a hair oil. And then lastly, we got something else for your hair. This is by Redken. This is Extreme Anti-Snap Treatment, Anti-Breakage Leave-In for damaged hair. And there's 50 mils here. Now I've actually got this and I haven't used it because you lot terrified me. I remember doing a Look Fantastic haul a couple of months ago and I'm sure it's the same one, Extreme Anti-Snap. And you were saying actually it can make thin, damaged hair worse, but the review seems quite good. This is deluxe size and it is worth £5.6p, offering 5-in-1 protection. This deeply conditioning hair treatment is formulated to visibly smooth and replenish weakened hair types. The leave-in treatment protects against chemical, heat, mechanical and surface damage while minimising the risk of future breakage. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? I'm sure I'm thinking of the same one. I'm sure I'm going to have a look in my hair drawer behind me to see if it is the same. But there you go. So those are all the products in the Ultimate Luxe Beauty Box, a limited edition beauty box from Look Fantastic. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Murad Hydrodynamic Moisturiser. We've got a Sarah Chapman Skinesis Facial Skin Resurfacer. We've got a Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. We've got a FaceGym Electro-lite Cleansing Gel. We've got a Kate Somerville EradiKate Blemish Treatment. We've got a Claire de Peau Precious Gold Vitality Face Mask. We've got a Virtue Healing Oil for your hair. And lastly, Redken Anti-Snap Hair Treatment. I'm not sure if I said at the start, but it has a value of £272. It can be bought for £80, or if you are a subscriber, it can be bought for £70. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this box. Did you go for it? Or are you watching this thinking, I don't know what to do? Or you're thinking, nah, not for me. As always, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.